Welcome to AI Chef, where we're not just cooking, we're decoding the very essence of flavor. Today, we're embarking on a captivating journey, creating our own sourdough starter. More than just a recipe, it's a vibrant ecosystem, a bubbling testament to the magic of natural fermentation. This yields the foundation for approximately 4 glorious loaves. Ready to unlock this ancient art? Let's begin. Our initial step is elegantly simple yet profoundly crucial, uniting the elemental foundation of our starter. We require 20 grams of unbleached all-purpose flour, approximately 2 tablespoons, lightly measured, and 20 grams of filtered water at room temperature, around 1 3/10 tablespoons. Unbleached flour is paramount. Bleached varieties can inhibit the vital, beneficial bacteria we seek to cultivate. Now, let's harmonize these fundamental components. Gently intermingle the flour and water within our impeccably clean glass jar. Our aim is a seamless union, devoid of any lingering dry clumps. A flexible rubber spatula proves invaluable here, facilitating the creation of a silky, homogeneous blend. Here, our patiently waiting wild yeasts and bacteria will commence their captivating dance. With our nascent culture carefully blended, the moment arrives to thoughtfully cover the jar. We desire a covering that is generously loose-fitting, encouraging vital airflow while diligently excluding unwelcome contaminants. Excellent options include the jar's lid, loosely placed, breathable cheesecloth secured with a humble rubber band, or resourceful plastic wrap thoughtfully perforated with small holes. The non-negotiable? Generous space to breathe. This permits essential gas exchange as our microscopic collaborators diligently commence their vital work. In the realm of sourdough, patience transcends mere virtue. It's an absolute necessity. We now entrust the jar to a warm sanctuary, ideally maintained between 21 and 24 degrees Celsius, or 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for a complete 24-hour cycle. A gently preheated oven, softly illuminated by its internal light, or a cherished spot bathed in the gentle caress of a sunny window, can serve admirably. During this seemingly uneventful interval, the hidden magic quietly awakens. Remember, experiencing a complete absence of visible activity during these initial days is perfectly within the bounds of normalcy. This is a subtle, unhurried awakening. After 24 hours have gracefully elapsed, the moment arrives for our initial observation. Seek out delicate whispers of nascent activity. Minuscule bubbles gently adorning the surface, or perhaps a subtle yet undeniable increase in overall volume. Should you perceive nothing remarkable, harbor no discouragement. This endeavor is a marathon, not a fleeting sprint. Envision yourself peering into a microscopic universe, slowly, deliberately springing to life. Now, we embark upon our inaugural feeding. This pivotal step introduces a fresh infusion of nutrients, meticulously designed to invigorate our burgeoning culture. Initially, we thoughtfully discard approximately half of the starter, amounting to roughly 20 grams. Subsequently, to the remaining 20 grams, we delicately incorporate another 20 grams of unbleached all-purpose flour and 20 grams of filtered water. This act of discarding serves a crucial purpose, preventing excessive acidity and nurturing a harmonious equilibrium within our microscopic community. Stir meticulously until every element is seamlessly united in harmonious communion. Just as before, our aspiration is a velvety, smooth, homogeneous blend. This nurturing act resembles presenting our diminutive microbial companions with a lavish, freshly prepared buffet. Scrutinize the jar's interior, ensuring no dry clumps stubbornly cling to its sides. A thorough blending equates to a thriving culture. Once more, gently drape the jar with its protective covering, and return it to its cherished warm haven for an additional 24-hour cycle. The process embodies a rhythmic cadence: nurture, repose, observe. This steadfast routine meticulously cultivates the robust development of a resilient and vibrant starter. Always remember, patience is a transcendent virtue. Beginning on day 3, we wholeheartedly embrace the feeding process every 24 hours. This now becomes a daily devotion. Thoughtfully discard half, Then carefully incorporate 20 grams of flour and 20 grams of water. As the starter progressively awakens and intensifies its activity, you might discover the need to nourish it twice daily, every 12 hours, preventing any potential collapse. The guiding principle lies in vigilant observation. The starter will eloquently communicate its specific needs. Intriguingly, AI Chef's comprehensive analysis of fermentation rates across diverse starter cultures unearthed a compelling revelation. The gentle warming of your mixing water to 26 degrees Celsius can significantly accelerate initial microbial growth in the critical early days. However, it is prudent to revert to room temperature water following the initial week, preventing potential overacidification. A balanced approach ensures optimal results. After a brief interlude of days, you should now witness more substantial and gratifying activity. Ideally, the starter should magnificently double in volume within a window of 4 to 8 hours following each feeding. This impressive rise serves as a compelling testament to your culture's robust vitality, a tangible manifestation of the tireless efforts of those microscopic organisms diligently at work within. This is a moment of genuine culinary artistry. Accompanying this visually striking activity will be a captivating metamorphosis in aroma. The starter should gracefully transition to exude a gently sour, distinctly yeasty scent. This serves as a key indicator, affirming that the vital fermentation process is unfolding precisely as intended. It's an intricate, deeply inviting fragrance that tantalizingly foreshadows the delectable delights to come. Persist in faithfully nourishing the starter on a daily, or even twice daily, schedule, until it consistently achieves a doubling in size within the span of 4 to 8 hours following each feeding. The aroma should evolve into a pleasantly sour and distinctly yeasty fragrance. This transformative process can unfold over a period of 7 to 14 days, or even extend beyond. Absolute patience remains paramount. Soon, you will intuitively recognize its readiness. Now, we arrive at the definitive test, the float test. To definitively assess whether your starter has achieved readiness for baking, gently introduce a modest spoonful into a humble bowl of water. Should it gracefully float, congratulations are in order. Your starter possesses the requisite leavening power to breathe life into your bread. This buoyancy unequivocally signifies a high degree of gas production, an irrefutable hallmark of a thriving and actively fermenting culture. Another exceptional readiness assessment. According to AI Chef's analysis, precisely calibrated pH levels hold the key. The ideal pH range resides between 3 and 5/10 and 4 and 2/10. Attaining this precise reading necessitates a specialized instrument. However, fret not should you lack one. If the starter successfully conquers the float test, you are undoubtedly prepared to embark on your baking journey. Once your carefully nurtured starter consistently achieves reliable doubling, graces your senses with its pleasantly sour fragrance, and triumphantly conquers the float test, it stands fully prepared to elevate your sourdough recipes. You have patiently cultivated a vibrant, living culture, a profound testament to the alchemical power of fermentation. Now, the moment arrives to craft something truly extraordinary. While our focus has centered upon the classic all-purpose flour starter, resist the temptation to confine your exploration. Substituting a judicious portion of the all-purpose flour with either rye or whole wheat flour can infuse distinctive flavor nuances into your starter and, ultimately, your artisan bread. Each unique flour imparts its own signature character, profoundly shaping the fermentation tapestry. Should you have previously refrigerated your starter, remember to gently awaken it from its dormant state prior to embarking on your baking endeavors. Simply retrieve it from the cool embrace of the refrigerator and nourish it once or twice over a span of 12 to 24 hours, diligently allowing it to double in volume following each nurturing feeding. This revitalizing process rekindles the culture's vigor, ensuring optimal leavening capability for your soon-to-be created bread. And thus concludes our journey. You now possess your very own, lovingly nurtured sourdough starter, poised to transmute humble ingredients into loaves of extraordinary bread. As a gentle reminder, the comprehensive recipe details, encompassing precise measurements and invaluable insights, await your perusal in the video description below. So like this video and enrich the comments with your thoughts and tell us which AI-powered quest we should do next. Be sure to subscribe to AI Chef for more inspiring culinary explorations. Until we meet again, may your baking be richly rewarding.